Guys, welcome back to another video. If you aren't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you're notified every time I upload a new video. So I got my 240 wrapped and now I'm gonna clean it and then I'm going to put my wing on. I'm gonna 3M tape it, but I want to clean it first because it's super dirty, and then I'm gonna clean the inside too because also super dirty. I got new wheels, new wrap, new fitment, camber, all that, and I'm pretty sure you'll see it being wrapped in a different video, but I'm not gonna try. I'm gonna show like a little bit, but not too much. Like I want to do a whole big reveal in like the next video or something. So you guys will be seeing that, but right now I'm gonna go ahead and clean the car, put the wing on, and then yeah, because the wing's just gonna make it look so much cuter, and it's so cute right now. Like, to be honest, I'm not gonna lie. Sorry guys, my camera died, but it's so cold today. But what I was saying is, really shout out to my girlfriend. Okay, this is why. She really put the car all together. Like, she had the vision and we ran with it. So I owe a lot to her because she made it so freaking cute. Like, she helped me choose the color of the car. And at first I was like iffy about it. Like, I was kind of nervous. I don't know, I was nervous. And she's like, no, like, it's gonna be so cute with the Vishnus. Like, she even told me to get the Vishnus too. Like, she helped me find those. Or she found them on her own. And then, yeah, what I'm saying. So, and she was like, that color is gonna be so cute with the wheels. And then she got me a camper kit. So, really this vision was all my girlfriend. And so it's so freaking cute. Like, I'm just looking at it right now because it's so cute. Like her, she's so cute. Let me get to this video. The lighting was kind of bad right there, but I have my wing, I have my wing right here, and I think I'm going to just 3M tape it. I'm gonna attempt, and if it doesn't work out, then I'm just gonna put the holes in it. So let me get to putting 3M on here. Hopefully it goes well. To be honest, who is doing their lawn right now? Like, are you kidding me? I'm trying to record a video. Anyways, to be honest, this used to be drilled into my truck, okay? But I'm scared to do that right now. Oh my god, I'm scared to do that right now and then like rip the wrap or something, because this is the first time I've ever had wrap, and I've never had wrap before. So, and the people that wrapped it, one went out of town. So to be honest, I'm just going to wait to let them like drill it back in or something. Or not drill back in, make the holes in the wrap. I don't know how that works, and I'll be honest, I really don't know. So I'm just gonna wait, and I'm just gonna 3M it anyways and see how it goes, because the wing really adds like a touch and like a finished touch to the car. So I'm gonna do that, and then give you guys a good old reveal of this wing on there. So I'm 3Ming it right now. I'm gonna try and rip it, to be honest, with like my nails. Oh yeah, I did it with my nails. No, not anymore. Okay guys, so I have my wing, and like, I don't know if you guys can see, but like right here and here, there's only two places you can 3M it and leave it flat on the car, because it's not like a flat wing that'll just sit on the car. So I'm gonna just do this for the meantime, because so I'm gonna let this sit and put pressure to it, and then I don't know, if it flies off, it flies off, to be honest. I don't know what to promise you guys. But I did clean the car, and I only dried the trunk because I really wanted to put this on. So I'm honestly like, I'm really just winging it right now and hoping for the best at this point, because I don't know. Obviously I'm not gonna drive the car and go like fast. You can't even go fast in this thing anyways, but I'm not gonna really drive the car like that, because I also need to go to a windshield person because when I was getting my car freaking painted, the windshields, all the windows had to be removed and they were not installed properly the right way. So this moves right now and the seals and everything just were not done the right way. So yeah,